How many times has this happened to you? Or this?
No, make it stop. I hate it so much. I'm not even safe in my own home. Finally, some peace and quiet. Help me! I just saw a demon baby!
Anyways, my name is Poose, and I was just trying to demonstrate that life is hard. Now, there are two ways to find your true purpose and achieve Mariposa to set yourself free. The first way, you must completely trust me and believe in your Poose. You must take every command given, and when I ask you to make a decision, you must decide. There will be several challenges and choices to make, so your participation is key. The second way is basically the hard way, and you will stay as my zombie slave forever. So yeah, follow my commands. Does everyone understand?
Does everyone understand?
Good. Step 1. We find our breaths. Please direct your attention to Purbly.
Probably love show everyone how to breathe, Poose. It real easy. Real easy. Me need volunteer. Who volunteer with Probably? Probably breathe like so deep inhale. Repeat after Probably. Probably deep inhale. Probably feeling so good in their inner Poose. Probably love inner Poose. Probably share Poose with you after show. Probably want you tell everyone do same. Tell them more louder! Probably better have full audience participation or probably going to scream and make this person sad on outside. Probably no one scream. Probably no one scream! Probably sends you back now. Go breathe.
Follow my steps. Follow my breath. Follow my steps. Follow my breath. Warning, warning. What you are about to see is extremely disturbing. Warning, warning. Not safe for work, not safe for life, not safe for children, not safe for your grandmother, not safe for robots, androids, or aliens. You have been warned.
I hate everything.
I can hear you, Guappy Meyer. You're angry again. Why don't you read me?
No, leave me alone. Only bad things happen when I use you.
Oh, don't say that. We've had so much fun together. Remember when your teacher turned inside out in front of everyone?
You're horrible. That was so embarrassing. I will never read you again. I swear.
Oh, yes, you will. I know you want revenge. I can feel your hatred. Let the hate flow through you. They were all laughing at you, especially the teacher.
You're right. I'm so hurt and angry. I just wanted the world to feel my pain.
Well, that's easy. Come read me, Guappy Meyer. Come turn, my pages.
Okay, like this?
Oh my fucking god, yes! Turn slowly to begin with. Read slowly. I know how to help you.
Oh, Dark One.
Ah!
I feel your presence grow closer and closer.
Yes, that's it, young one. I can take care of you. Let me in. Ah, yes.
Darkness falls, suffocating the room, but I know I am not alone. Red eyes shone and fingers of bone wrap cold around my neck. It caresses my inner spirit. It beckons me to share.
Yes.
Tangere anomeo.
Kill.
Extensa morentia. Loss of will. I welcome you, Dark One. Help me!
I am free! Now it's time to absorb everyone's pulses!
No, don't hurt these people.
Shut up! Who is my first volunteer? Let's see.
What was I thinking? I made a big mistake.
I said shut up and let me help you, little boy. Your body is mine now. Who shall I choose? Ooh, you look good. But what about you?
Somebody help me.
Stop right there. I know it's you, Naked Nami Wan. Let Guappy Meyer go. Set him free.
No! You will never stop me! I will take all of their pooses away!
Okay, have it your way. We will just have to exorcise you. Everyone follow my lead to help exorcise this vengeance demon.
No! Stop the music! I hate exercise! No!
Don't listen to it. We can do this. Save Guappy Meyer.
No! Stop!
Shut up, demon. You have no power here. Let's start with some jumping jacks to warm up. You can do jumping jacks. You can do jumping jacks just like. You can do jumping jacks. You can do jumping jacks just like. You can do jumping jacks.
The way!
You can do jumping jacks just like. You can do jumping jacks.
Let's see!
You can do jumping jacks just like.
Poose, I can hear you out there. It's working. Its weaknesses are saying its name and exercising. Say its name.
Ha ha ha! Guappy Meyer is mine now. You and your friends are not powerful enough to defeat me.
Everyone, its name is Neki Nami 1. Repeat after me. Neki Nami 1.
I see. This isn't even my final form. I feel you.
It's changing. Cover your eyes. Scream Neki Nami 1. Neki Nami 1.
It's gonna be a bad day, bad day. When I take all the pieces away, you're gonna scream, you're gonna cry, you're gonna scream. When I take all the pieces away, it's gonna be a very, very, very bad day. You're gonna hate me, and I'm gonna be your master today. Ha ha ha! You see, it's impossible to defeat me.
No, it's bluffing. It's very weak and scared. Don't listen to it.
You heard Guapi Meyer, everyone. Don't give up. We're going to exercise and say its name at the same time. Neki Nami 1. Neki Nami 1.
No!
Neki Nami 1. Neki Nami 1.
You destroyed me.
Neki Nami 1. Neki Nami 1.
Help me, no.
Neki Nami 1. Neki Nami 1.
I'm falling apart.
Neki Nami 1. Neki Nami 1.
My body hurts.
Neki Nami 1. Neki Nami 1.
Oh my god.
Neki Nami 1. Neki Nami 1.
I hate being a demon.
Neki Nami 1. Neki Nami 1.
I hate life.
Neki Nami 1. Neki Nami 1.
Ah! I hate you all. I'm gonna take this person back into the book with me.
Guapi Meyer, you can do this. Stop the demon. I believe in you. You can fight it.
Neki Nami 1.
Back into the book I go. I'm proud of you, Guapi Meyer, and I'm proud of everyone here.
Thank you, Poose. Thank you, everyone. I'm gonna go turn my teacher right side out again.
We are so close now, my friends, to finding our true purpose and achieving Mariposa.
Oh! What's Mariposa? That's so stupid. You're lame.
I told you to keep your goddamn mouth shut when I'm talking. Why, I could just snap your little neck and pull all of the fluff right out of you for laughing at me.
You said fluff. Your outfit looks weird tonight. You are weird.
Don't make me come over there!
So lame. So weird.
Don't you ever my toe! Oh my god, that hurts! No, I'm morphine!
Battle Poose activated. Clown Destruction mode activated.
Oh shit.
Come on, everyone. Be yourselves and don't listen to this clown bastard. Repeat after me. Qual pli in wet.
No!
Qual pli in wet. Qual pli in wet. Qual pli in wet.
Hi bye, dippity die, wing gone clown and a leaky eye. Wong woo cook shoot fizzy fly, lacy song clap booty my. Wednesday cook hayden yap shoot, dog dog and a wong at a zoo. Zama lay back, chew poop like a pile of shack. Please stand by for the shocking conclusion of Poose the Puppet. Will Poose find her true purpose? Will Mariposa finally make an appearance? Will everyone be able to find their true purpose in life and be able to be set free? Will the clown that attacked Poose stop Poose from achieving Mariposa? Will the birthday boy ever have a good birthday again? Will Purbly ever finally take a bath and brush his teeth? Will the humans continue to be addicted to the Pooseberries and trip balls forever? Will Robert ever be motivated enough to show the world his Poose? Will someone who is trained in the dark arts ever send the demon baby that was summoned back to hell? Seriously, I'm going to need some help with that. That little bastard is going to be some trouble for sure, and I'm very sorry for releasing it.
Mariposa! Ooh, I think I smell a purpoose. Yes, I do. Several purpooses. So many different purpooses. It's beautiful, but there may only be one true purpose. I need 2 volunteers. Raise your hand. Yes, you and you. You smell the strongest. You first. What have you discovered tonight? What is your true purpose? Don't be shy. Say the first thing that comes to mind. The thing that makes your heart flutter. The thing that makes your Poose shine. Now, your turn. Tell me your true purpose. Scream it. Let it be free. Now, audience, which is your favorite? A or B? Scream for A. Okay, now scream for B. Aw, I'm sorry. They didn't choose you. You know what? You don't need to listen to the clowns, and neither do I. Both of your purposes are valid. There will be a... You may now go back. Now that everyone has discovered their true purpose, we must shake the final pieces free and do a final dance. Follow my lead, my beautiful people. Follow and dance with purpose.
Is that you? It is you!
Yes, Poose, it is me. You all have summoned me and a true Poose was revealed. I must go now.
But I missed it. I missed all the love and the booty and the true Poose. Why do you always do this to me? Why?
Poose, don't you get it? You are your own true Poose. You are Poose the puppet.
OMG, you are right. What is wrong with me? I was so stupid.
Take my hand, Poose. Now flap your wings. Everyone flap your wings. Everyone take someone else's hand with their consent and stare in each other's eyes. Repeat after me. I love my Poose. I love this moment and booty shaking. Now, Poose, show everyone your true Poose. Show them your inner Poose.
Come here, baby. Come here, baby. You are all free now. Scream!